Hello guys, welcome to Toshniwal Learning. So we will be learning background today. Okay, what is background? This could be the last topic as part of Cucumber training. And earlier we have learned about the tags, each and everything in the runner class. What are Cucumber options? How to pass the data, right? Using the scenario outline. What is the difference between scenario and scenario outline? So let's start with background. What is background? So background is nothing but it is used as a precondition or it is used precondition don't get confused. So what background does? It gets executed before each and every scenario. How it is different? How it is different? It is also a keyword background. But if you want something to get executed before each and every scenario, then you should write that thing in the background. Okay. For example, you want to log into the application before every scenario. That could be written in the background so that the lines of code uh, gets less. The lines of test cases in the feature file gets less. Yeah, right. So we have already given login application a scenario. So let's write about the URL. We need to pass the URL before we need to open a URL. We need to launch the browser each and every time, right? Before every scenario. So this is how the background is written. Background navigate to URL given user have opened a browser. When user enters e-commerce URL, then user navigates to e-commerce website. I want to execute this thing before every scenario. So I can write this thing in the background keyword. So this three steps will execute before every scenario. Okay, I will simply remove this. Okay, so let's run this. So there are four steps. Number one is background, it is executing. Okay, background is executing. Where is my background? I have written it down. This is my background. As I already told you, it doesn't matter wherever you are writing your script in the step definition file, it will always follow how you have written, in what order you have written in your feature file. So the first step is user opened browser, user enters e-commerce website, user navigates to e-commerce website, then it is going to the first scenario, which is login page. Okay, this scenario gets over, then again it is executing the background, then second scenario. Okay, after it is again doing again executing the background and then another scenario. So this is what a background do. Okay, now let's talk about some of the other annotations also, which is at the rate before and at the rate after. What is at the rate before? At the rate before we need to, there are many at the rate before, right? I have testng also, but I will be using, I'm currently we are working on Cucumber, so we have to use at the rate before Cucumber. Okay, and we'll give a method name public uh, void, let's say before method. Okay, and I am giving a sysout as before method, and same I am giving and after. So I will be using cucumber.api.java. I will be importing it. Those things are getting imported. And the same thing we will be doing it public void after method. Okay. So what is happening over here? Some piece of code I want to write and it will get executed before every scenario and after will get execute after every scenario. Remember, not after every method, but after every scenario. So in this, there are different methods. This is a method, this is a method. It doesn't matter. The only matter is how many scenarios are there. So there are three scenarios, one, two, three. So three times at the rate before will be executed and three times at the rate after. But there is a clash over here, right? Before I was saying that background executes before every scenario, and now I'm saying that at the rate before also execute before every scenario. Correct. Why? Because this before is coming in the step definition for file from cucumber.api, and this background is a part of feature file. So both are used in the same way. Okay, so you can use background also, you can use at the rate before also. The advantage of using the background is you will have the steps there in your feature file, but for at the rate before there will be no steps, right? There will be no steps. You cannot look into it in the feature file what steps you are performing. You are just giving at the rate before. It will be for taking the screenshots or at the rate after you are quitting the browser or taking the screenshot, right? But which will get executed before the scenario? Is it the background or is it the at the rate before? That is the question. Let's run it. So if you could see, there are four scenarios and 32 steps. Everything is passed. So before the firstly before method is getting executed, then it is going to background, then it is going to the first scenario, then it is executing after method, then it is going again to before method, then it is executing background, right? So firstly before method get executed, right? I'll just write it. सबसे पहले firstly before method, sorry, at the rate before, at the rate before, then background, then scenario, and then at the rate after. Okay, this is the order: at the rate before, background, scenario, at the rate after. Then again same thing happens. Okay, suppose you want to comment something in your feature file, you have to give hash, remember. Okay, if you give hash, this means that this line is commented. Got it? Now one more thing, you can do it over here in at the rate before. You can give order also. Okay, order equals to 0. Okay, I can have multiple before method 1. Okay, before method 1, before method 2, before method 2, order equals to 1. What it do? Firstly, this before will execute, then after this before will execute. Okay, let's try. See, before method 1, before method 2, then background, then scenario, then after method, then before method 1, before method 2, then again same process. So using the order, you can define as many as at the rate before as at the rate after. Okay. Also remember one thing, wherever you are putting the before thing, before at the rate before at the rate after, wherever you are putting it in the project, it will execute. It doesn't mean that you are putting this at the rate before in this step definition file, in this scripting file. So it is not valid for all other all other step definition file. Wherever you are putting it, it will execute first, then it will go to the next scenario. Okay, so there are multiple scenarios, multiple feature file and multiple step definition file. If you have given at the rate before in any of the class, that before will execute first and then it will go to the next scenario. Okay, let's see the report. So this is the report. Firstly, background is executed. How, why background is coming here in the report? Because the report is generating using the feature file, and in feature file, as I already told, background will have this own set of data. You can see where what steps I am performing, what keywords I am using. Okay, but at the rate before after won't be having it. So that is why the background is coming in the report at the rate background, then scenario 1. Okay, scenario outline what it is, then again background, then scenario outline first set of data, at the rate background, scenario outline second set of data, then again background, then the last scenario, right? So that's it for Cucumber. I hope you liked all the videos, and please comment your doubts so that I can, if I have many doubts, I can make another video and which only have interview questions and doubt sessions, doubt questions. Thank you.